In order to appreciate the value of the service being offered, you have to understand how web hosting works. Whenever a user visits a website, the text, images, and video must travel from the server is being hosted on to the user's computer. That is called bandwidth, with video using the most bandwidth. When you see web hosting service for $2 a month, that is for websites that have no videos and very little traffic. We have a bandwidth calculator on our site that you can use for free to estimate how much it would cost you to stream your own content on your own site. All companies that have a website must pay bandwidth. Even YouTube, Facebook, X pays for bandwidth. They own the servers and data centers. But they don't own the networks that make up the internet. It is a good idea to have your own website to complement your YouTube channel. It can be a backup to your content and can be a Patreon alternative. When shopping for web hosting, you need to compare storage and bandwidth being offered and at what price. Storage and bandwidth are metered by the gig. As you start to shop around, you will notice that they will tell you how much storage you get per plan, but when it comes to bandwidth, they don't make it clear. Or they may say unlimited bandwidth. As I stated earlier, someone has to pay for it. The second you go over the set limit of the plan, which won't be very much because videos use a lot of bandwidth, so they will disrupt your service. And that is not good when a user is trying to watch your videos. Look for a web hosting service that is optimized for video, then compare prices. Hope this video helps. See you on the next one.